GBP AUD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this forex pair GBP against Australian dollars. Okay. Now, before we start the analysis, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. The reason is not just because I'm a YouTuber. It's because these analysis which I'm doing, these are the analysis which other people do after you pay them thousands of dollars. Okay. So there's one thing called doing the overall, overview of the trend and everything. But in my analysis, I give you top-down approach from weekly to daily, and then it's 1 hour. And apart from that, the difference between my videos and the other videos is that you will see me giving you free signals even in these YouTube videos. Okay. So other people, what they do is they give you the basic idea where the trend is, but by somehow mistake, I end up giving you some free signals. I end up giving you when to enter, when to exit. Okay. I will try not to give you those signals, but let's see what happens. So I end up giving free signals as well in these videos. So make sure you subscribe and like. And then if you go below my video, there are some links. So the first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So in case for those people who are maybe newbies or they don't want to do manual trading, they don't want to learn all this complicated stuff, okay, because manual trading is complicated if you don't know what you're doing. So in case you want to do something on automation, check out the first link, click on the first link, you will be on this page here. And then you can see I have made this kind of money and you can see how this method works because we will be using a software, a robot, which does all the trading on our behalf after we give the settings, okay? So if you are interested in doing something on automation, check out the first link. And then the second link says join my free Telegram. So make sure you are connected with my Telegram channel where I will be sending you these free signals every now and then, when to enter, when to exit exactly. So make sure you are into my Telegram as well. And in case you want to check out the best prop firm and the best brokers to start with, click on this link, come on this page here, check out the best prop firm. Okay, prop firm is something which allows you to trade with their money. Okay, so if you want to trade with, let's say, a huge money which you don't have, let's see, start with $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, but you don't have the money. Okay, so in that case, prop firms will give you an account. You have to pass the challenge. If you are, if you have enough knowledge, if you are confident, you can pass the challenge. You can join the prop firm. Which prop firm? This is the world's best prop firm, as long you are not in the US and Canada. Okay, so go and join the prop firm if you want to, but if you want only a broker yourself, then go and check out these brokers for UK, Europe, international and all that. Okay, go and check out these links and let's start the analysis of GBP AUD. We'll start the top-down approach starting with weekly. Weekly is here clearly an uptrend. So GBP AUD is in the uptrend in weekly. Daily is again an uptrend, and 4 hour is 4 hour is in downtrend. Okay, for now it's downtrend, but it's quite possible it might go up. Okay, but if we follow the top down approach, we know the basic rule is out of 3 time frames, weekly, daily, 4 hour, if 2 time frames are in the same direction, that means that's the trend. Okay, so weekly is buy, weekly is up, and daily is up, which means we are in the uptrend. Okay, now before I break it down any further, I have a disclaimer. Disclaimer is that my videos are for educational purposes only, and I don't have any responsibility for your profits and losses, okay? And the second disclaimer is I do not support any scalping strategy. So if you are a 5-minute trader or a 15-minute trader, you can use my videos for long-term analysis and then enter your positions according to your experience, okay? But if you're a swing trader, my videos will definitely help you, okay? Now, what do we do now? So by now we know that GBP AUD is in the uptrend, so we are only looking for buys. Okay, no reason to sell. We are only going to buy. Okay, where do we buy? Quite simple. Come to 4 hour. Okay, sometimes you will have the clarity when to buy by looking at the daily chart. Sometimes you will have the clarity to buy by looking at the 4 hour chart. Okay, so for me, daily and 4 hour chart are the main chart. Sometimes I get the signal in the daily chart. Sometimes I get the signal in the 4 hour chart, and I'm talking about entry signal, when to enter. Sometimes it shows me in the daily chart. Sometimes it shows me in the 4 hour chart. It's all about experience, personal experience. Okay. For example, in this case, if you go on my channel, I did Euro AUD just like 10 minutes ago. Euro AUD gave me the entry signal in the daily chart, but GBP AUD is going to give me the entry signal in the 4 hour chart. How? Let's show you. So you go back to 4 hour chart here and you maximize this. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a blue candle. Okay, so once this red red small, what is it, trend. Yeah, a small red trend, a small downtrend. Once we have a blue candle which closes above this blue candle, you see this blue candle here at 2.08016. So once we have a big blue candle which will close above this candle, you will buy. We will enter buy. Okay, when to exit? So once you enter buy somewhere here, okay, you will exit right here. So take your 200 pips, walk away. Happy? Yeah, I just gave you 3 pips. Let me check again, okay? I'll give you exactly how many pips. So when do we enter? We enter at the close of 2.0899. So let's say we enter at 2.0900, okay? 2.0990, that's where we enter. And we exit out at 2.14. Wow, 500 pips. I just gave you 500 pips. I should have done that. So if you enter here, that is 2.1400, and we took the trade, we took the entry at 2.0900. So 500 pips I gave you for free. Tell me if somebody tells you this on YouTube videos for free, okay? These videos are free for now. I will charge you money in the coming future, okay? So subscribe, like, make sure you're connected everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, not Instagram, I don't do Instagram. Telegram and this YouTube, make sure you're connected everywhere because I literally give you trades for free. Euro AUD, last video, go and check. I gave you 300 pips. In this video, I gave you 500 pips. Come on, guys, give me a break, okay? Subscribe, like, check out these links, join Telegram, check out Brokers and Prop Firm, and I'll see you in the next analysis. Analysis. Thank you.